Shalom. When you speak, we get comfort. That's the comment I have received from our people. That's what I am here to speak again. This certainly raises a question. When the global government is better based, better fed, better equipped, and better powered, why they can be comfort to our people who are our relatives biologically. This is an analysis, not a blame, of course, but it's a blame to the system which we are forced to follow and to face all these problems, such as commercializing the education system. It certainly helped us to an extent with a framework or employment and unemployment. But if we scrutinize, it also sees our going after the alternatives. Year after year, it leaves a certain unemployment and industry closure, which is very dangerous for the economy, as we realize now. Second force is the Monopoly Act or the Copyright Act, which actually against for the right person. We close the right of the righteous, the inventor, the opportunity. So it seizes the diversity and the balance in inventions, like certain areas remains not developed and unattended. Third force is the misunderstanding of demand creation theory. Now the strategy is fatting and overdosing. As for human, it's for the industry also, it's dangerous. The industry dies. So create demand on new inventions and new market, etc. The present situation is like we are unable to hold the initial blessing God gave to us at the time of the creation. Multiply, occupy the earth, and control it. In contra, with all the facilities like electricity, technology, infrastructure, and population control law, which is overpopulating with people without any control and guidance, like without proper family system. Over it, we have a border control law which doesn't provide the people the right of seeing the earth, then far from the living all over the earth. As we already reported in the new Philosopher magazine, that this is a closure for the information flow and the global development. So we have the problem now. The right impact is we could not so far control the earth. The absence of love is the basic of that. We cannot say that why it's happening, because we know that when there was only two brothers on the universe, they couldn't call together. If we take the help of the God could create, but the snake pretended to be smarter than God, and that deceival actually continued to us, but we don't realize it. Second assumption from God's side also, carrying thy own cross is a better policy for creativity and freedom. Don't contempt others. Our duty is to provide the poor if you find. And third assumption is what we have. Identify our potentiality and give to the God. God is in better position to manage it. It also means do not hesitate to give at least the dues belongs to the God. We continue with the explanation about the agenda.